Hello students, welcome back again in virtual classroom. Let's facilitate learning. Today's lecture is important one because we are going to study appreciation of the poem Money, Standard 12th, Subject English. Students, we already have studied this poem in various forms such as icebreakers activities, paraphrase, means summary of the poem in English as well as in Marathi. I have provided the links of these videos in description box. Do check it and study it carefully for the better understanding of the poem. Before studying appreciation of the poem, let us go through the introduction of the poet in brief. William Henry Davies, 1871 to 1940. William Henry Davies was a Welsh poet and writer. He spent a significant part of his life as a tramp or hobo in the United Kingdom and the United States. He became a peddler and street singer in England. After several years of a wandering life, he published his first volume, The Soul's Destroyer, and other poems. He was a poet and an autobiographer. He was born in 1871 in Monmouthshire, Wales. His poems were written based on his experience as a tramp and the many different characters he encountered along the way. His first poems were published when he was 34 years old. His poems highlight about nature's beauty based on his observations about hardships in life. He wrote two novels and autobiographical works. His best known novel is Autobiography of a Super Tramp. He died in 1940. Students, let me make you remember that for poetry section we have total 14 marks. Question number 3 is based on poetry. Here you will have two sub questions A and B. A is based on activity questions for 10 marks and B is of appreciation for 4 marks. Students, here I have provided you marking scheme of appreciation. Do keep it in mind and prepare your answer accordingly. The question is like this. Write an appreciation of the poem in which you will be given following points. Title of the poem, poet, theme of the poem, style of the poem, poetic devices in the poem, message from the poem, and your opinion about the poem. About the poem, poet, and title. Money is a reflective poem written by Welsh poet William Henry Davies. Poet has his own narrative about money. Some people think that money is the most important thing in the world, but poet gives us different insight. Theme of the poem. Happiness is the most expensive thing in the world. If a person is happy with what he has, then he will enjoy the essence of life. According to the poet, true friendship and money are two opposite things. When we do not have money or have lost our money, we realize how important the money is. Poverty decreases the number of friends, but it gives us real friends. Poverty shows the selfish friends who leave us due to our poverty. Poetic style and language of the poem. Language of the poem is simple and narrative. Effective use of first person is more appealing. The poem has been written in 5 stanzas, consisting 4 lines in each stanza. The poet has used exclamations to show strong feelings. Skillful use of imagery and symbols make poem rich in its content. The rhyme scheme of the stanzas 1 to 4 is ABCB and of fifth stanza is ABAB. Poetic devices means figure of speech used in the poem. First one, inversion. Felt I like a child. Think I. The order of words I felt like a child. I think is reversed for effect. Second, simile. Like a child. The poet compares himself with a child. Third, repetition. When I had money, money, oh. The line and word money is repeated. Fourth, onomatopoeia. Do hum like bees. The word hum reproduces or sounds the humming of the bees. Fifth, antithesis. Many friends proved all untrue. Friends are described as opposite, false and untrue. Message from the poem. Poet gives more emphasis on happiness of life, true friendship, and what makes you really wealthy person. When poet was rich, his friends were pretending that they are very good friends, but it was complete lie. Your opinion about the poem. I am of the opinion that real wealth can be measured not by what you have, but by what you are. If a person is happy with what he has, then he will enjoy the essence of life. Students, here I have also provided you tabular data of appreciation of the poem. This will help you remember the answer point wise. So study it carefully. So with this, we come to an end with today's virtual lecture. Stay motivated, stay awesome. Thank you.